This is how I made my first $100. And of course, through graphic designs. Yeah, and you don't even need a laptop, just your phone and some Canva magic. Don't believe me? Let's go into this episode. On today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to navigate your way through the Canva app and understand how the graphic design market works and how to thrive in it. Now, you might ask, what is Canva? Well, Canva is a simple, user-friendly graphic design tool that lets you create visuals like social media posts, flyers, logo, presentations, and more without needing to be too advanced, if you know what I mean. When you open your Canva app, you'll be welcomed to the dashboard. Here are the simple explanations for the parts of Canva you need to know. Templates. These are ready-made designs you can customize instead of starting from scratch. Elements. These are graphics like shapes, icons, lines, and stickers you add to your designs. Text. These are pre-styled fonts and text boxes for adding and customizing words. Photos. These are stock images you can use directly inside of your designs. And guess what? It's already given to you by Canva for free, so no need to go online searching to add to your designs. Videos are short clips that you can add to create motion or video content. Audio. These are music and sound effects you can include in your videos. Uploads. These are your personal images, videos, logos added into your Canva. And there's a lot you'll know about Canva in the next episode, so stay tuned. Well, someone might ask, what if I can design but don't know how to use it to make money? Firstly, you have to build on what you know, or start little. Start by creating designs for small brands around you. Upscale. Go over to socials. Engage with your audience. Push yourself as the brand. Always be consistent with posting works that you've done in the past. All these bring your clients to you while you work at home. Easy and stress-free. Follow us for more tips on how to be a better graphic designer, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, that's bye-bye.